Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a vegan food haul. I know. Okay, so I quickly ran into Tesco on my way home from work yesterday. This is like a totally unplanned video, by the way. I've done up my schedule of videos for this month, and like a food haul wasn't on it, but like I just thought I needed some supplies for the weekend and for Christmas, so here we are. So I just have everything lined up here, so I'm just going to start off with this Irish oat granola. This is strawberry and vanilla. Like, this is my favorite type of granola, and now it's like €6 I think it is for this small little box. So it is like, you know, a bit pricey, but like also I love it. I like treat myself to it maybe like a few times a year, and just because, like, you know, it is a bit pricey, but like it's so healthy. There's like literally, it's gluten-free oats, some rapeseed oil. Like, there's hardly any ingredients in it. Like, it's scrumptious. I also got some sriracha. I love sriracha. Like, sriracha is like my favorite kind of chili sauce. And it was actually Tara who like got me started on sriracha, because I've never heard of it before. Well, I heard of it, but I never tried it before. And then she had it at her house, tried it, loved it, and now I can't stop buying it. I also got some hummus, because, you know, hummus is like a necessity in anyone's fridge. Like, not just if you're vegan, but like, oh, hummus is so good. And you know what's actually like a fun little trick if you have hummus is if you put some sriracha on it. It's mind-blowing, it's amazing. So try that next time you get some sriracha and hummus. I also got some vegan cheese. I love the ones that are already cut into slices, because, you know, I'm a lazy cook. Like, I do not like cooking, and like any effort has to do with cooking, like cutting, and I just don't like it. So, and also, you know, I don't have time for it, because when I'm hungry, like, I want my food like ASAP. So I got this sliced one, so it's just easy if you're having like a wrap or something, and like have some, I don't know, like burgers or something. I don't just slap on there, and it's easy peasy done, just like that. And this is the Violife one. This is like, I think, my favorite like vegan cheese brand, and you can get it at Tesco. Now, I didn't just get stuff for myself, I also got my dog some things. So I got these dentist sticks, and she like loves them. I gave one to her this morning, and like she ate it so fast. I thought, like, you know, maybe she won't like them because they're like, you know, oral care or whatever. But yeah, she loves them. She thinks they're like treats, but like actually, like, you know, for her teeth. And I also got the vegan Galaxy bar. I got the salted, salted one. Well, I don't know what is that in it. It's like caramel, salted caramel one. And now I got the smooth orange one. I've also tried the hazelnut one, and like all actually like amazing. Even like non-vegans who've tried it love them as well. And I got this again, the almond latte. I also got the coconut one. It's over there. I love these. They're so easy just to, you know, chuck into a cup, put some hot water in, start it. But I put some, like, you know, almond milk in as well, just to, you know, make it a bit more creamier and like cool it down a bit, because it's a bit awful hot. But I got the almond one and the coconut one. I only got the two of them because we're having a deal where you can get two for €5, and they're like €4 each. So I was like, you're basically getting one for like €1, so couldn't knock up that deal. Speaking of almond milk, I also got some. I got 2 cartons of almond milk, because, you know, it's just a necessity. Like, this almond milk or like non-dairy milk is like a necessity in any like vegan's closet. Fridge. Okay, I also got some Maryland cookies. Now, do not judge me. Okay, do not judge me. I got these last night, and this is the next day when I'm recording this. But I've had this much of the packet left in less than 24 hours, so I'm not embarrassed. I'm not embarrassed. They're really good. They're not my favorite cookies, to be honest. Like, they're a bit like powdery or something. These are accidentally vegan. The sugar-free Maryland ones, they're a bit like just powdery, and I don't know. I'm not a big fan of them. Okay, let's get on to the frozen items. Okay, so I got some spinach bites, because I love spinach bites. These are just scrumptious. I love them so much, and I get these like all the time, and you know the drill. They're just easy, chucked in the oven, and they're done. I also got some faux corn, hot and spicy burgers. Oh my god, like, these are so delicious. Mum got them for me one time before. My mouth is actually like drooling just even thinking about these. Like, they're scrumptious, they're vegan, they're amazing, they're spicy, they're easy, they're delicious. And of course I got vegan magnums because, you know, who doesn't love these? These don't even taste like they're vegan. These taste so good. Like, I don't like the classic ones because it's a bit boring. Like, I like the crunch of the almond in the chocolate. So I got these as well and they're delicious. I also got my dog a toy as well, which kind of brought the buy up. But the whole total of this shop was €58.09, which, I mean, is a good value. No, not really, because like this won't last me that long, but like also like I just love this food, so I don't even really care. Then also like I should have been checking the prices when I was picking them up, but like I didn't, so you know, it is what it is. But like, you know, I have no regrets. None. Okay guys, and that's my vegan food haul. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know all your thoughts down below, and please, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm not only uploading 2 videos a week this month, I'm uploading 3 videos every week for the month of December, and there might be like an extra one thrown in there, who knows, you know, because I want to end the year with a bang and give you guys as much as me as I possibly can. And I mean, it's I started this weekend and like, you know, I am struggling, but like, it's okay. It'll be so worth it when like I get them all up, and I have some amazing ones planned. So you do not want to miss some of the videos I've planned. Like, some of them are already recorded, I just have to edit them, and like, I'm so excited. So do not forget to hit that button, and also hit that little notification bell just to notify when I do upload them videos, which will be every Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.